In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then to access alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings in the pop-up and scroll to manage all of those under Alarms however you want to. Then go back and tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle to create a new one. Set up an hour. Hit OK at the bottom right corner and manage all of those options. At the top, hit Alt label and name it. Then choose OK to save its name. Now click on Days of the Week to set them up and use this plus next to Pause Alarm to exclude some specific dates. Hit OK to save them and remove button next to them to get rid of them. Now click on this bell icon here. Decide if you wish to download YouTube Music or Spotify or hit dismiss. If you want to use one of those sound platforms, click on it at the top and log in to use music from it. If you don't, select Sounds. Click on Add New to pick any song from your device. By clicking on it, or just select one of those melodies. Go back again, click on this icon next to Vibrate to turn it off or on, and this plus if you wish to add your alarm to your previously established Google Assistant routine. Now to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To turn on or off your alarm, use this switcher right next to it. To make some changes, click on the top right corner on this icon and manage them. And to get rid of it, use the Delete button at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!